said, the trailer's worth what I'm asking for, you know. So.
Yeah, true. I know that. True. That by itself. That's a good offer. You see, you get fed up of it too because.
Yeah, you see, I got so much shit going on.
Yeah.
I got another one of these.
Yeah, man. I suppose it put on a boat. Alright. Nice horsepower. Alright guys, just bought me a boat. Year is old, 1992. Bayliner, came from New Jersey. Get it for a steal of a deal. Boat need couple work on it done, like interior. As you can see, the interior is badly off right now. I think I could probably do them for myself. If not, I'll have to spend top dollar to get it done. The engine is a good engine. You know, when I said that and I see it for myself, when you open it and you take a look inside of it, look, you know, good still. Alright? The way you tell is this, as long as they're moving the flywheel, it have compression. Hear that? The key ready to start. But this is turnkey. So I gotta put a battery in it. But I haven't started yet because I'm missing the leg. I got that in the car. Alright? So I'm gonna just send that out and see if they probably could fix it for me. Or if not, I'll probably get a whole new leg to fit that. This is a gas tank right here. The gas tank is down inside of there. The boat need a paint over. It's very dirty. The man had it parked up for a while. Alright, the inside. Let me show you guys the inside. I need all these done. That's the top. I can simply put plastic over that. When I say plastic, the interior, I just go over that. Instead of taking off this whole interior, I could put a new one over that. For myself, it might be cheaper. But I gotta do some research and call around and see what's going on. The flooring is ply. So here what I'm gonna do. This here, I know a little would work. I'm gonna take the seats out and I'll buy a piece of ply and I'll just put a whole new layer over this. Alright? This here coming out. So a whole new layer over that. I'm gonna put a brace right here from there, down there, shoot them up. That's the whole of the next one to make it steady. I'm gonna make that work. I'm doing that myself. The front just need the same interior on the seat. Do over. This one start cracking up. I don't think this is plenty money. You know, this shouldn't run me over 500 to get this thing done. Because a piece of ply probably like $5 or something. I just need basically like 2 pieces of ply 8 feet long. Right? And something like a carpet, whatever type of material is this. And just get my gun and tup straight down. I'm gonna leave here open. Just open. Gas tank ready. Alright? A little pouches on this side. I guess the buoy and them type of stuff. This is a pole here in case if you want to pull stuff, which I don't think that won't be here. I might take that out. This side is good. that just need cleaning. Alright, this is the gear. See, you can hear the changing in the back there. Reverse, forward, neutral. Right, so that working too. See, you got a speaker here, and you got a speaker there. You got a deck here. This need changing because this is cassettes. No longer use cassettes. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I could buy me a deck and change this out. I don't know how much it's gonna run me, but let's see how that go. First thing I'm gonna work on is the engine. You got the speedometer clock. I guess navigation right there. Yeah. It's a Navi. I don't know what them thing is about. It's a horn. It need battery and stuff for all that to work. And this just needs screwing down the screws out. I say a month. I ain't trying to spend 2 months on this. I say a month to get where it need to go. Where it need to be, sorry. Alright, let me start to make some calls right now.